ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ friends. So my topic under NoSQL is key value databases. Key value databases store data as a collection of key value pairs. They are known for their simplicity, speed, and scalability. Each data element is stored as a key and its associated value, making it efficient for high-speed retrieval. Document databases. There are two categories in this document databases: flexible data structure, rich query language. Document databases store data as flexible JSON like documents. This allow for easy schema-less data storage and retrieval. Rich query language, they are designed for flexibility in querying and indexing complex hierarchical data structures. Next, we will move on to the next slide. Uh, so I think this is clear. Now, in coming to column oriented databases, so under this column oriented databases, there are again two categories: optimized for read performance. uh, this is what the explanation for optimized for read performance is. Column oriented databases store data in columns rather than rows, enabling efficient read operations for analytics. In compression techniques, they commonly employ compression methods to reduce storage space and enhance query performance. So now the special kind of database which is called graph databases. The graph is very important in order to analyze any sort of data. So we'll look into the graph databases. The relational representation of graph database. Graph databases store data as nodes and edges to represent relationship between entities, making them ideal for complex relationship based data. So what they make is they make relationship ideal for complex and complex data, making them simpler in terms of a simpler data, so that we can analyze it very easily. And now coming to highly connected data, they are designed to efficiently query and navigate highly interconnected data sets. So highly connected data, these are the data sets which are interconnected. They are highly interconnected. So it's designed to efficiently query those data set. Next, key value databases. Okay, fast retrieval. Key value databases are known for their quick retrieval of individual records. So in if we want to get the retrieve individual data, this allows us to do that. So this point says that thing. And coming to next point, multiple access methods. They support various access methods including primary keys, secondary indexes, and composite keys. These are the keys which are used to retrieve the data. So again, I'll repeat the keys: primary key, secondary key, and composite keys. Then coming to scalability, and the very important thing about the key value databases is its scalability. How scalable the data or the query is very often neglected, but the very useful thing or the necessary thing in this data set is scalability. The scalability horizontally by this the scalability of this key value data is horizontally by adding more machines to the database infrastructure. So they add more machines for the database infrastructure in order to horizontally add more of data. So going to next slide, document databases, schemaless structure. So document databases do not require a fixed schema, allowing flexibility in data modeling. So the document do not require fixed schema. Understand this point. Okay. They do not require fixed schema, allowing flexibility in data modeling. We must It allows us for flexibility so that we can do a data modeling. Coming to the second point, nested data. They support nested data types, enabling complex hierarchical relationship to be easily represented. They support nested data. So nested means they're interconnected, or they are in hierarchical or some combined structure. So these enable complex hierarchical relationship. And coming to next point, versioning and replication. Most document databases offer built-in support for versioning and data replication. So the versioning is nothing but it's we can upgrade it into next version, and data replication is copying the same data so that we can use it in the future. Next, column oriented databases. So by using column oriented databases, these are the things happening. We can 80% read, 20% write columnar storage. Okay. Read optimized. Column oriented databases are optimized for read heavy workloads, providing efficient read operations. Data compression. They utilize columnar storage, allowing for high levels of data compression and efficient query execution. So we can execute the query efficiently. So again, coming to graph databases, there are relationships, network data, flexibility, efficiency. So efficiently represent and query complex relationship between data entities. Handle highly connected data structures with ease and efficiency. Flexible data modeling and easy adaptation to evolving schemas. Highly efficient execution of complex queries on interconnected data.